Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to look at cameras. If you haven't seen my performance video with the two, please go check that out. So the main difference between these two phones when it comes to the cameras is only one thing, and that's going to be the 64 megapixel versus the 48 on the A51, and then also the A71 can do 1080p at 960 frames per second. That's really impressive. And also it could also do 240, but the highest it can go on the A51 is 120. But in this video, I'm just going to test basic camera quality and some wide angle shots in 4K. I'm just going to do 4K for this video. I think this is going to be interesting. So let's jump right into this video. All right, guys. So here is the A71 and the A51. Now on the A71, there's a recording limit of none for 4K. And on the A51, there's a recording limit of 10 minutes. So I wanted to point this out to you. The A51 and the A71, the only difference between the cameras is the main shooters. One is a 48 megapixel and the other is a 64. So as I look through the viewfinder, the A71 looks to be a little bit more accurate. The grass across the street is not that green, so just keep that in mind. But no settings or anything have been adjusted on either phone. So it looks like through the viewfinder, the A51 saturates a little bit more than the A71. The A71 looks extremely realistic. So that's the only difference between both these cameras, 64 and 48 megapixel. What do you guys think about the quality that you're getting from these? I can tell you right now, the grass that is being shown on the A71 through the viewfinder, I'll see it on the computer with you, is accurate. The A51 seems to be brightening it up too much. So let's go over here. And if you look at these, I love this colored bushes right here. I didn't even notice that the A51 had a recording limit of 10 minutes on 4K. Never noticed that, but there is. All right. Now here we are in wide angle. Just to show you, standing in the same spot, and you can see much more in view. And the 4K on wide angle actually looks really good on the A51 now. For some reason, it looks a little bit more accurate, but it's not as accurate as the A71. But is it enough to have you complain about the A51 and say, hey, I wouldn't buy that over this or that? Yeah. All right. It's a nice, warm, rainy, gloomy day out. I washed my car, parked it up front, and it stormed. I knew it was going to storm, but the car was so dirty I had to get all that other dirt off because I hadn't washed it in a few days. And I don't do dirty cars, man. Rain or not, no dirty cars. All right, so that's wide angle. And again, over here, the 4K looks a little better in wide angle than it did in the standard view. But the A71, once again, is completely accurate. So that's wide angle. Now, to my surprise, again, that same limit is 10 minutes on the front also. This is the front camera. Now, to my surprise, these have the same front cameras, but look at how different they are in quality. Isn't that amazing? The A71 just seems to be the more realistic quality through the viewfinder. I keep stressing that. Once I get on the computer, I'll give a final analysis at the end of this video. But the A71 just looks to be more accurate. And it's amazing how the processing is on the A51 compared to the A71. Really crazy. All right, so there you have it. Now, sometimes megapixels don't really mean a lot. But in this situation, for some reason, the shocker for me was both of these phones have the exact same front cameras. But I think due to the processor and everything in the A71, it looks better. And listen, don't quote me on it. I'm not trying to say I'm right and that's the right answer, but I don't know of any other reason that the A71's front camera would look better than the A51. They have the exact same camera, same aperture, everything is exactly the same. So I don't know why the A71 looks better. And that's just my personal opinion after looking at these. Overall, the A71 looks better, front and rear. And I'm surprised, and also I didn't even notice that 10-minute limit on the A51. Been using the A51, I don't know how long now. I never noticed that 10-minute limit on the A51. It's the 10-minute limit on 4K, front and rear. I never noticed it. So there's a camera comparison for you guys, man. What do you guys think? Just because I prefer the A71 doesn't mean you're going to prefer the A71. So what do you guys think about the camera comparison with the A71 versus the A51? And more importantly, I want to hear your thoughts on the front camera. Why do you think it looks so different on the A71 versus the A51? Why do you think it looks so different? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to chat with you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.